Now once again, dealing with order of operations. So we need to remember BIMDAS as we work through this. So in our first example here, we have an addition and a multiplication. So the multiplication is going to get done first. So I've got 5 plus, and then here I'm doing -8 times -2. Negative times a negative is a positive, and 8 times 2 is 16. So if we write that down like that, we didn't have to, we could have just written 16. And then we can see the adjacent signs are just going to be a plus, and then the answer is 21. Now with the next one, I've got brackets. So in the brackets, I've got 4 take away -4. So everything else I'm just going to write down. And we'll sort the brackets out. 4 take away -4, of course, becomes 4 plus 4 with the adjacent signs. So I've now got -5, add 24, divided by 8. The division comes next. So I've got -5, add 3. And you can use a number line for a -5, and we go 3 places. That's going to be -4, -3, -2. Now this next one has got a lot of things involved. So we've got an outside bracket here and here. And we've got an outside bracket here and here. So inside this bracket, we've got a multiplication, we've got indices. Indices get done first. So -4 times -4. Negative times a negative is a positive, so that's going to be 16. And then we're multiplying by -3. And the other bracket, 16 divided by -4. So positive divided by a negative is negative. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So with this first bracket, I've got 16 times -3. Positive times a negative is a negative. 16 times 3 is 48. And here I've got adjacent signs, but they're different. So that's going to be negative. -48, take away 4, -52. Now this one here, I put in here just because it's a bit strange. There's no brackets, but because we have this very long vinculum here between the top and the bottom, that means that division gets done last. We could envisage the top as being in brackets here. And if we look inside the brackets, we've got indices and addition. So we do the indices first. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. And then we're going to divide by 7. Now we do the addition on top, which is 28 divided by 7. And then the answer to that one is 4.